Hello guys, this is Tayyab from T-Tech. Today we are going to talk about JavaScript. First of all, I would tell you about JavaScript history, its introduction, how to use it and where to use it. To my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and in the comment section tell me what kind of video do you like. First of all, I wanna tell you that it will be a playlist for beginners. First of all, JavaScript, as its name shows, that it's a scripting language, and it's powerful and popular computer programming language in the web along HTML and CSS. Well, it is programming language and we can use it for both client side and server side. Mainly it is used for interactive pages with HTML and CSS. It was created by the Brandon Eich in 1955. And one more, some people confuse it with Java and JavaScript. Honestly speaking, Java and JavaScript is not same languages. It's totally different languages. It's a scripting language that you mostly use in web programming for World Wide Web. Like you can say every website have JavaScript. And also some people ask about this, does we need to have knowledge about HTML and CSS? Yes, if you want to be a front-end developer, then you must have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. If you don't have, don't worry, it will be a beginner's tutorial JavaScript in which we will teach you about core concepts of JavaScript. And in this tutorial, in further videos, we will use Sublime Text 3 or VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and you can use which will you like it. And yeah, that's it. Now recap about JavaScript. JavaScript is short form, we use JS, JavaScript, and it's a very powerful and popular scripting language. Now let's have a look at example of JavaScript. Okay, as you know, I am using Sublime Text. Okay, HTML. Basically, we will not interact with HTML, but just for example, I am showing you how can we use. There will be a scripting tag like this script. Okay, so this is simple. For example, we want to create a variable name. Okay, simple, like this is a command. Okay, this is a simple variable. Okay, so the purpose of showing is that wanna tell you how it's look like this. Okay, now we wanna create a function rating. Okay, so name. Okay, so parenthesis console dot name. So it will be printed on the screen console log. If you didn't understand, don't worry, in next video we will talk about it in details, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. And please don't forget to give me your suggestions about this video in the comment section. Okay, have a nice day. Let's meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye.